Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data to avoid some charges. And then after the internet connection, let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to sign in. If you've got the Google account already added to your device, then you will be also signed in automatically. If not, you will have to do it right now. And then let's tap on the circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on My Apps and Games. And here, as you can see, we've got the updates, the whole section of updates. In my case, unfortunately, I've got only one of those updated, so I will not be able to show you how to update separate apps, but as you can see, it's really easy. Just tap on update next to the app you'd like to update. If you've got a lot of updates and if you want them all to be updated, to be installed, just tap on update all. And from now on, your device will start downloading the updates, and then install them and update the app. So basically, you do not really need to do anything more. So basically, that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.